Se me olvidó completo.
Good night.
Esta hora difícil.
All right, we're throwing 9.
A esta hora.
Esta hora que completo dichoso.
Así, mira, yo tuve que traer la vacuna.
Todavía hay gente trabajando. Esta
Me
hora.
faltaron 4.
Hasta ahora.
No, we got 9. We can start.
Tiene tampones también.
We got a minute and a half.
Oye, viniste fino hoy, coño.
Yeah. Let me know. Go.
Venga, estamos de nuevo, ¿verdad?
Ahí, tiene uno. Vamos, hay dos, hay dos.
Las dos, ¿viste? Oye,
Dale, dale. Esa misma. Ponle.
Ya que ustedes no me hacen, no, pero no te preocupes, no me llames. Yo te digo, espérate. No te preocupes. One run, one.
Blue,
Go.
I don't know the rules. I need your help. So, with this online, we are home team with this online shit.
Yeah.
Now my lead-up guy's not here. What do I do?
That's right, we'll just move to the bottom.
We're moving to the bottom. Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
so I got it.
Okay, we're moving to the bottom.
Adrian?
Okay? Yeah, Adrian, we're moving to the bottom.
Like, sure,
Thank you, sir.
Everybody knows to move
No,
up.
put 'em up on her.
Dale la cámara y no puedo hablar mal.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hey, so you go. I move up to the bottom. Adrian. Oh, there you go, sir. I move to the bottom. Go.
Dale. Hey, para tú no se la pongas, yo digo así. Cállate. Perro. a humillar.
All good, there we go.
Guys, close the gate. One on deck. One on deck. Close the gate.
Go! Go! I'm coaching.
How you? Full jacket. ¡Listo! ¿Cómo se llama?
Good job, sir. Good job.
Dime. Sí, claro.
Qué abusador.
¡Mira! Mucho aire, él no sabe ninguna.
You need any more?
Yo creo que la puedo botar aquí, Ángel.
I'm going out. Anything like this.
Gracias, ese loco le dio uno y con gusto. Él no, yo creo que no sabe ninguno. ¡Va, primera! ¡Fíjate! Yo! That was close. Holy shit, it split up. I know. ¿A dónde tiraste yo? ¿Dónde está aquí? ¡Listo!
I got 2 rows in here, Renita.
¡Listo! ¡Ahí! ¿Está bien? I know he's playing Saturday, Sunday though. He's playing Sunday. If it doesn't rain. Still. Yo, tira.
Go. I'll step back. That's why you rolled it out.
Mira, tira rápido y bien. Venga, los perros, 2. Guys, 4. Let's go. Hey, not too deep.
Oye,
One deck, guys, one deck. One deck.
Oye, me cagué en los libros,
That's a beauty. Mario! Come on. Sorry, Panama. Let's go. That's a good one. Foul ball. That's a good one. Eat it! Angeli, Ganalero! George, be awake. That's a good one. Hey, Noel, let's go. That's a beauty. Hey, 2. Take it, throw it. Watch out. Hey.
Bang. Hey, if it's worth anything, I thought
Hey, one out. One out. not hurt. Let's go. Right. What's up? Beautiful. Quiere caminar. Eso estaba beautiful.
Man, that was cool.
That's beautiful. There you go. Hey, home. Eat it. Hey, lead off. Hey, be awake. Hey, let's go. Turn around. Five. Batter down. Two down. Yo, nothing. Nothing that way. Two out, two. Middle in. Let's go. Hot flash. Hey, home. Team three. Tail. Sniper got him. Hey, two down. Hey, three in. Let's go. Blanco. Blanco, mírate. Three. Still up, let's go.
Okay, Phoenix, Adrian Nato. Phoenix, Adrian Nato.
Pop up, right here. Pop up, un pop up.
¡Listo! ¿Está bien ahí?
Está bien coso, está bien coso.
Hello!
Talking like that, and there's like three girls sitting in front of me. I'm like, bro, have a little, yeah, man. Just a little. There we go.
Right. 1, 2. ¡Esa! Bueno, vamos. never seen it. I actually don't know. I've been told. I would see. I don't see why not. But I don't know why it's not beneficial. It's like sliding in the first. Yes, it's exactly. No,
¿Es que picheaste? Ahora tú ya estás pichando.
No, yo no me quedo, yo me quedo.
Hold on, Panama. Por paso seguido. Hey, let's go. You awake, George. Out of play, out of play.
Heli está borracho, pero no le toma más. Que toma mucho, Heli. Heli, después te doy los 100 pesos.
Adrian, out to D. Adrian, out. Out. Like you, right there. Jeffrey, out. That's a cookie. Go get it. Good pitch. I hit him. I hit it all day. Let it go. Let it go. He's out. No. Hey, Tudell. Good hitter. Eat it! Two, yeah. One. That's a cookie. Right. Good two. Hey, home. Hey, home. Force out of home. Coming home. Sorry. Hey, know what are we doing? Running first and second. He goes everywhere. That's a good one. Let's go. That's a good one. Great pitch. Eat it! So, TD. It's tied right now, 4-4. They're up. One in. Two out, one in. They got one in now, two up. Adrian, 2B. I didn't want that. That's a beauty. Eat it, eat it.
One run, guys, one.
Hey, let's go. Let's hit around here.
Who's up? One?
Wait. How many did we score, Blue? One. We did one. We scored two. Dos.
I scored. And then the guy on second base scored. He was on third.
Dime, ¿tiene que apuntarlo algo?
Hold on.
6-4.
Great. I scored. I was the last one to score, and then when there was two outs,
Eric did it.
no,
Daniel Gain.
Carol Porter. He scored. He was on third. Second baseman.
Panamá. Entraron dos. No, usted no va a decir.
Yeah, he scored. I brought him in around third, and then I got a base hit. Yeah. I brought third base.
He está haciendo algo.
Eric, here to the gap now.
Yeah, first base and run.
It's an outfield. The gap.
They got 2 runs, guys, 2.
Este que hace bien, quitando.
No lo que claro. Todo bien.
Ya cuando entran, que si lo entren.
All right, here we go.
Oh, linda.
Two.
Hey, ready?
Huh?
Hey, ready?
Yeah. No like
Ahora no es fácil así.
Nah. They're helping out.
Oh,
Robert.
fastball, huh?
Dime.
Yeah. Cada semana te falta una hora hacer.
What's the score, bro?
Tremendo equipo que tienen ustedes. Cada semana falta uno.
No, porque juega a 6:30. Everybody's working. Voy para botar la sala de pingo. Mucho hay.
Anthony, you know who's coming to play? Jordan Poe.
I know, I saw him today.
You saw him?
He's working the detail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He told me he can't come tonight because he's working.
Yeah. He's Dominican, but I don't think that matters for him.
His girl works in our store.
¡Listo!
3-1.
Vamos a la mente, vamos a ir dos up. Muy bajita, muy bajita. No, está flat. No, mío, está bajita.
Yeah, I'm looking at the tape, man.
No, 12 pies, hijo.
I mean, you gotta wait till your game anyway.
Tira más alta.
Tienes que pichar, Yoshi. A tu no piches ya, Robert, deja eso. A tu no piches.
Mira para ver.
Ay, collado, si te poncho aquí, mira, me río por
Ay,
mi
ay,
vida.
Este es favor, tú. Papi, a romper el bate.
Caibo, si tú no das ahí ahora. Ay, compadre. Joey,
¡Ay, no!
Y Joey, vamos a llamar a Joey para que vea esto.
Yo anda más.
Si fallo le hago swing.
¡Vito! ¡Échate para adelante! ¿Está bien ahí? Cualquier base.
Ay.
Beauty. Ay.
La tira alta, mira para atrás. ¿Tienes la alta otra vez?
Todo bien. Tranquilo aquí. Cogiendo frío. Más de otra. Ay.
Ahí, pónchalo ahí. Ahí, tira primera.
First pitch. That one I know it's high. I know it's deep. I've been watching. He throws it fast, and I see what feels like that. I couldn't think that one. I was just trying to hit it through middle. Too deep. Good. That's a good pitch. One hop. Hey, be awake. That's a good one. Two! Eat it! Get him! Oh, unbelievable. Out by 3 steps. Go ahead. Hey, blue runner! Blue runner? You got the second? Hey, be awake. Eat it!
break.
Venga esto. ¡Listo! ¡Listo! ¡No tan lejos, país! No hay aire, hay mucho aire. Let's go. David! David! No man's land, no man's land. Listo!
Hey guys, go outside the gate, please. Thank you.
Se la pongo para afuera. No, me van a hacer, Venga, cae bien. Me pidió hoy. Ya me cae en la misma.
Go out. Hey, let's go. I need you here, kid.
Time out!
Hey, run it.
Let's go. Anything on the master train.
Here we go.
Good miss. Yes, sir! Hey, nice play.
I was like, stay in there. That bitch took off.
How about 9 minutes, guys? 9 minutes.
¡Vamos, Sasa! ¡Pégate para la línea! Abre los ojos tú ahí. A ver, voy a hacer lo mismo para dura. ¿Eh?
What out?
¡Tira! Tira atrás, tiene que llegar atrás.
Dale, sácala, flaco. Vine a verte el turno, sácala.
Mucho aire, no puede.
Oh yeah. Playing Fridays?
In Boca.
Oh really? What? It's better there?
It's closer to my house.
Oh yeah, Julian Boy,
It's a
right?
shitty league. It's just closer to my house.
Yeah. Woof!
Jesus.
Atta boy!
One base.
Magulo, voy a decir Magulo.
That's fine. Hey, one out, baby. Let's go. I won't let you down.
One out, 4 in. Good ball. Sure.
Hey, go. Run it. Run it.
Four in, 2 out. One, we're chasing one. Chasing one. Four runs, guys, 4.
They have a striped jersey. They're in Upton.
Hey, I need you here, baby.
¿Cuándo te pagó, Damián? Las 3 así por ahí. ¿No? No, dale, no hay problema. Si la dejo,
Last inning, guys, last inning.
Oye, hay que hacer carrera ahora. Es el último inning, hay que hacer carrera. Damián, llega. Tiene que llegar. Vamos. Tiene que llegar. Dale, que estamos pendientes,
That's a good pitch. Same thing. That's a good one. Hey, Gray, your guy. That's a beauty. Hey, I need you here. One out. That's a good one.
Okay, let's go. Let's get going. Bodies up. Atta boy. Go down. Adrian, glove side. Up, charging, 2 out. That's a beauty. Adrian, let's go. Let's go. Let's leave him on the field. We need 2 guys. We need 2. That's not bad. Make sure that gate's closed. Close the gate. Hey, cierra ahí. Hey, do your thing. Let's go. Right. Good 2. Let's go. Right over his head. Let's go. Yeah, we're here. Buena, buena. ¡Esa! Ponla, ponla, Damián, vamos. ¡Tírate! Hey, brother! I'm hungry. Okay. Vamos, Philip, en 5 horas, vamos. Go, Philip. Rebota. Are you going to be here next Tuesday? Right now. Yeah. All right. My daughter, your daughter's like, you guys left. Hey, let's go. Ahead of you. Time out! Hey, let's go. Nobody better, Lito. Esa! Let's go! Hey! I'm not about anything. I don't know.